In this video, we are going to show you how to allow third-party cookies on your Google Chrome browser. If you want to allow third-party cookies, it's actually quite simple. Open your Google Chrome browser and go look and click on the three dots or the customize and control Google Chrome option on the upper right corner of your screen like so. This pop-up will appear. You want to click on settings, right? Now click on settings. It's going to bring you to the settings page right here. And you want to look towards your left hand side. This is going to be your settings menu, main menu or dashboard. You want to click on privacy and security, right? And under privacy and security, right, scroll down a little bit if you want, if you can. For us, we can't. The third option is going to be third-party cookies right here. So we want to click on this. So here, as you can see here, it is allowed for me for third-party cookies to be used. So as you can see, our site, you can visit embed content from other sites. For example, images, ads, and text cookies set by these other sites are called third-party cookies. So if you allow third-party cookies, sites can use third-party cookies to personalize content and ads and learn about the actions you take on the other sites. A lot of people don't want this, so they have it blocked, right? But if you want to allow it, for me, I don't really mind. Just use that, and you don't need to have to click on save or whatever. It's automatically going to be set. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.